crypto faucets. You've probably heard about them, right? They're like digital piggy banks that trickle a few satoshis or other tokens into your wallet. Sounds easy enough, except there's a lot more nuance than meets the eye. Let's be honest, most people stumble onto crypto faucet websites hoping to strike gold. You might imagine sipping coffee whilst your wallet magically grows. Spoiler, it's rarely that glamorous. The payout? Usually fractions of a cent. Sometimes not even worth the energy your CPU burns. What's the catch? Good question. Many faucet sites make you wade through endless CAPTCHA challenges or click countless ads. Every click you make, they're earning ad revenue. You're left with peanuts. Welcome to the symbiotic hustle. But Scott, is it ever worth it? Well, maybe. If you're new to crypto, faucets are a risk-free way to dip your toes in. Think of it like Crypto 101. You won't get rich, but you'll get familiar with wallets, transactions, and blockchain basics. Here's the typical process. Step 1, pick a faucet site. Step 2, create an online wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Step 3, link your wallet to the site. Step 4, complete whatever action the site requires. Then you wait for your microscopic windfall. Let me guess, how do I know a site isn't scamming me? Pro tip, look for recent reviews or Reddit threads. Legitimate faucet sites usually have active users and communities. Sketchy ones? They often shut down as soon as they've milked enough ad revenue. The biggest pain point? Time. Faucets aren't passive income, they're labor. Clicking that claim button every hour feels less like investing and more like working for tips. Some people literally have timers set for these faucets. A grind if I've ever seen one. Here's a fun twist. Faucet sites used to hand out whole bitcoins back in the day. Yes, one actual full Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, you're lucky to get 0.00001 BTC. Inflation hits everywhere, including the crypto world. Are there ways to maximize these sites? Sure. First, hunt for high-paying faucets. Second, stack multiple faucets at once. Third, use a crypto stacking app. Pro tip, automate where you can, but be careful of violating site rules. What's cool is some faucets tie into games. These add an element of fun but are an even bigger time suck. Play a cute pixel game for an hour. Earn 5 Dogecoins. The nostalgia might be worth it, but the earnings? Meh. For Portland locals, it reminds me of those arcade redemption games at Wonderland. You spend all night winning tickets for a prize that probably costs less than the quarters you fed the machine. Nostalgia and experience over payday. At the end of the day, faucet sites are hardly life-changing. They're breadcrumbs, not the whole loaf. But hey, sometimes breadcrumbs are fine. If nothing else, they're a low-stakes way to explore crypto. Small payouts, big lessons. Worth it in some cases.